Hey guys! We just took a bunch of pictures in your computer's webcam to make into a stop motion animation. If you haven't already watched that video, go back. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how to put all of those pictures into the video editor and make a stop motion video out of it. So the first thing you're going to do to find this program is go down here to your search bar and type in Video Editor. Right, this is a program that's already installed in your computer. It should be right here. Okay, you won't have all these videos down here, but you will have this blue button that says New Video Project. So you're going to click on that to start a new video. So I'm going to call mine Mastermind Stop Motion. That's the name of the game I played. Okay, all right. So the first thing we need to do is put all of your pictures into your project library. So your project library isn't actually your video, but everything that you want to be in your video needs to be in your project library. So we're going to start by clicking this blue Add button from this PC. And so you're going to, in this file browser, you're going to go to Pictures and Camera Roll. Every picture that you've taken with your webcam should be in this folder called Camera Roll in the Pictures section of your computer. So I'm going to go all the way to the bottom, right? They always go into the bottom of your screen. And I'm going to find the first picture from this series. It's going to be a lot of pictures. Okay, so here we are. So I'm going to find the first one, click on it so it has a check mark, and then I'm going to go all the way to the bottom to the last one. I'm going to hold down the Shift button. You got to hold it down while you click on the last one, and that will select all of your pictures. All right, I'm going to click Open. And if you have a few mess up pictures, it's easier to just put them all in there by selecting all and then delete them as you go through it. Than it is to like try and pick and choose which photos you're taking, because there will be a lot. Right? Our goal again is 120 pictures, give or take. Okay, so before I click, right, so when I insert them into my project library, they're all selected. Okay, they all have this blue check. Don't click away, keep that, right? I just want to go right ahead and click Place in Storyboard. The storyboard is your actual video. Right? I'm going to click Place in Storyboard, and now they will all pop down into my video itself. So first thing I'm going to do is just kind of scroll through. I think I had a couple mess up pictures that I messed up on. Although maybe it'll be easier to tell once it's in a video. You know what? I'm going to do that. All right, so let's instead, let me start by, I'm going to click on this first picture. I don't want to check the box. It should just have a blue line under it. I'm going to scroll all the way to the end. Again, I'm going to hold down the Shift button while I click on the last one. All right, that will select all. And now I'm going to change the duration, right? So they're automatically loaded in at 3 seconds. That's much too long, right? I now have a 9-minute video up here with each one at 3 seconds. So I'm going to change the duration to ½ a second. That is the very longest it should be. I think I'm going to make mine a little bit shorter even than that. But you can, start with a ½ a second, play it, see if it feels too slow, depending on how much you move in each picture. ½ a second might feel right, or it might feel too slow. So let's try 0.3 seconds. And now I'm going to go back to the beginning and play it, see how it looks. And now I'm also watching for any mess up photos, any place that one looked a little long. Any place where my hand is visible or anything like that. Oops, there's one. Okay, not bad. So I'm gonna, there was one really bad one with my hand in it. I gotta get rid of that. I just have to search through to see where that was. No, I'm too far. There it is. All right, so I'm going to click on that one. I'm going to click delete. That was a mess up. All right, so you're going to delete any mistakes. Now the last thing we can do is put in some music. So you could also, if you want to record some sound, like if you're doing something with toys and you want them to make noises or speak, you can record some custom audio. And let me show you quickly how to do that. So if you want to record custom audio, you would have to open up your voice recorder app. All right, I'm using my microphone in this while I'm shooting this video, so I can't actually use it here. But if you wanted to record your own, so it could even be, if you have a particular song that you want to put in, you could play it on your phone, record it in your voice recorder, and then put it in. This program only has, a handful of kind of instrumental music pieces that you can put in. So if there's a specific song you want to put in, or if you want to speak, make noises, anything like that to add to your video, you would do it in the voice recorder and then import it. So if you were importing something you recorded, you would do it in the custom audio, and you would add an audio file here from your computer. I'm not going to do that though. I'm just going to put in some background music. So I'm going to click on background music. Okay, and this is the list of options that come with the program. Okay, I'm not sure if you can actually hear those in the video. I'll have to check after I'm done. But so I was just listening to my music options there. If you could hear it or not, I'm not sure. So I'm going to pick this Blossoming, just to be quick about it. I'm also going to sync my video to the music speed, which isn't necessary, but it's kind of cool. It then kind of changes your frames based on the beat of the music, which can look cool. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to lower the volume a little bit. I don't need it that loud. Let's say 70. All right, I'm going to click done. And now I'm going to go back and watch my video again, see how it looks. Here's this though. So let's say here I'm happy with my video. I want to finish it and turn it in. So I'm going to click on Finish Video. Okay, Export. Export. And now, so in order to turn this in, because it's a video file, it's a little bit more complicated. You have a couple options. If you have a YouTube account, you can upload it to YouTube, and then once it's in YouTube, you can put it into your PowerPoint. Unfortunately, there's no way to put your video into PowerPoint unless you put it in YouTube. So your other option would just be to put it in an email to me. Right, so you're welcome to email me directly with your video if you don't want to go through the whole YouTube ordeal. So this is going to take a few minutes to export. It's a large file, but I think I can leave you there. As always, if you have any questions, you can email me, you can ask me in class, whatever it is. I'm happy to help. I hope you enjoy this project. I know I did. Have a good one.